gone, I'll be here waiting on you. The sun, don't look back, the road is long. The first days of the war gone, and take back the former throne and turn the tide. 'Cause if you never leave home, never let go, you'll never make it to the great unknown till you keep your eyes open, my love. So tell me you're strong, tell me you see. I need to hear it, can you promise me to keep your eyes open, my love? Just past the sun.
Y'all ready?
Hands held high, sweat dripping off me, lighting softly, got these fakers trying to stop me. This ain't a hobby, it's a way of life, just like Holyfield and Tyson, gloves on fight night. Boom, here comes the hurricane, monsoon switched up, came to redecorate the room. My ears are ringing from hearing the same sound. So what now? All of the walls just came down. I blaze a trail like the rays from tail light sound, shaking the ground like earthquakes and hail might. Someday I'll die, but not tonight. Excuse me while I light up the sky.
Sitting on top of an active volcano. My new friend from Spain. What's your name? Tony? Yeah. My new friend Tony. Getting to enjoy a beautiful sunset. Another piece of God's creation.
Gets no flyer. Uh-oh, we set the mainframe on fire. Boom, cold red, feel the lead from the pedal. I push to the metal, the dust never settles. F5 level, kick up the bass and the treble. 'Cause faith, that's a rebel. I can show you the devil. I blaze a trail like the rays from tail light sound, shaking the ground like earthquakes and hail might. Someday I'll die, but not tonight. Excuse me while I light up the sky.
We just conquered the active volcano. 70 kilometers is max speed. I think we hit about 40 before we crashed.
I didn't, I crashed.
Good job. Walking back to the bus.